Man, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Tony here, of course, back with another video, you know, for the channel, bring it to the shop. Got a little something different for y'all today. As you see, we got the white elephant here, but that is not the focus today. The focus is that Jag y'all see pulling into the driveway. See if you can pull it off without fucking up. We talking about that. But today I'm gonna show y'all some old light stuff, because you know your boy love doing lights. But I got some good shit for y'all, man. It's not on the 300, but it's on the Jag. He got the 2011 Jaguar XF. Regardless what you do, how you do it, it's almost the same. Y'all know this. But like I said, I'm gonna show y'all what's going on. Go ahead, like, subscribe, stay watching the video. I got some good shit for y'all. Stay tuned, baby. Go ahead, stay tuned. You know what's going on here. Go ahead in the Jag. That ain't mine, obviously. My own boy. 2011 XF. But what we're gonna do today, interior lights right here. Got the flow. Boom. Put on the flow. Boom, boom, boom. Whatever. Right? Get in the car, that shit light up, right? I'm gonna show you how to do it. Show what you need to use. Yeah, we're gonna make that happen, alright? So there you go. First thing first. Here go the kit right there. OPT7. That's my peoples. I fuck with them heavy. Only because, I mean, I use them. And guess what? Shit came out just nice. All right, so what you got here is, you see, interior LED script kit, you know what I mean? Double row. All that means is it's double rows. It's two rows. Yep. All right, so boom, right. Go ahead and open this bad boy up for y'all real quick. You know what I mean? Show you what come in the box. First thing first, boom. What they say? Smart color LEDs, right? So you open that up. Your fuse tabs, these come in handy. I told y'all that. It's your little power box. Without that, obviously, the lights ain't finna get no power, therefore they're gonna turn on. Boom, slap dab, right? Then you got the plug-in shit right here, right? But we don't use this because that's to the cigarette lighter. Who? What? Are they using that tomfoolery, man? So, boom, boom, all that right there. And then obviously, the lights themselves, like I told y'all, the double rows. So if you look at it, you obviously see double rows, right? Boom. Put that off to the side. Just the adhesive boost if you want to clean off the surface or whatever. We're not doing that. We don't really use the 3M part. I'm not using that. Next, other part of it. Boom. Now this is actually pretty fucking important right here, right? So this was used for the hard wire and then the fuse tap right here, right? So you plug this in. Let's get the box real quick. Hold on. So give y'all a brief rundown real quick. Boom, box, plug in. Let's take this off. It don't hurt nobody. All right, so see this? Go ahead. Plug in right there, right? Boom. You run these wires, obviously. So this is your ground. It literally tells you right there the negative, the minus. If you ain't know, it says minus. Also, minus means ground. Don't be goofy, y'all. And then this right here is gonna plug in to your fuse tab. Boom. So here. Y'all doing this at the same time. Just like that, right? I ain't gonna put it all the way. I don't need to. But as you see here, they got three different types of fuses. You know what you're doing. You understand what I'm talking about. But you probably don't. So that's why you're here. It's okay. So look. Let me get y'all a little rundown real quick. All right. So this one, obviously, it's them big boys, the ones that stand a little taller. That's how it goes into the little box. Boom. If that don't work for your car, you got this one, which most people have like in their little foot wells or in the door or whatever you have. So if you got 300, you already know you only got one under the hood and one in the trunk. So these don't really benefit us like that. But other folks who have it right in here or wherever it may be, these work a lot. That's the kind of fuse they have. And then the other one, which is more common, is obviously this little one. That's the one that goes under the hood for 300 owners. That's under the fucking, in the trunk. So, you know, boom, we got that. Put that off to the side, whatever. So, like I said, power for the hard wire. Right. And then these right here, all the wires you're going to need to connect to the LED strips themselves. Because you're going to connect one side to the LED strip, other side to the box, right? Oh, get the box again. Hold on. So, what you got here, boom, plug that in, boom, right in there. You see that? Well, that's the opposite way. But still, click, boom. and then this one goes into the LED strip. So now the power from here goes to the LED strip. LED strip gets its power, turns on, boom, guess what? Your car is lit. All right, so they give you a bunch of these, not a bunch, they give you 4 because you got 4 strips, right? So this is when knowing where you want to go, knowing how you want to wire all this shit comes in handy. Because last thing you want to do, it's a little hot outside, but I'll tell you what. Last thing you want to do is put all your stuff in, zip tie it, secure it down, whatever you do, and then your wires don't go where they need to go because you didn't put them in the right way, right? So your boy is here, so y'all don't do that. You know what I mean? I'm here for y'all. So what we doing today, I just see it in the Jag, like I said. The fuse box that I'm going to go to is over here. He has little fuse boxes under there. Again, if you got the Jag, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't got the Jag, a lot of y'all have a fuse box here, and it falls under there sometimes. I'm not going to go there. I probably could, but I'm not. I've already worked on this man's car before. I know what's over there. I'm going to go there, right? So when I do this, what you got to do, you want to run your wires to where everything works perfectly. So LED strip, and in fact, I don't know why I'm using my fingers when I could just use the fucking strips. All right, so boom, right, strip, right there, right? So this one, I'm gonna put in just like this. Why? Because now this little bad boy here, I can use the wire to run all the way across to there, to go to the box. It's gonna be over there, right? And then the next one, obviously, is gonna be here. I can run that motherfucker just like that if I really wanted to, because the box is gonna be under there. So this side isn't as pertinent because you know where the box is gonna be. It's on this side. Then you come to the back, boom, boom, right? So in the back, whew, your boy is hot. I'm sorry. Listen. So you go to the back, right? And depending on how you want to do it, the way I'm gonna do it is my strip that's here. For this seat, I'm gonna run it this way so that this wire can run all the way along that way. Same thing for the other side. Boom. I had to move the camera like that, but I did. It's okay. Same thing. So the wire can run from over here on over, right? So I'm gonna go ahead, set that up, and I'm back for you. Also, notice the hair. Your boy got some length, you know, 2-strand twist. Shout out to the homegirl Vonta, you know. But we talking about this, okay? Yeah, man. I'll be back for y'all. Give y'all a rundown how we're gonna do this, and yeah, let's make it happen. Boom. All right, y'all. Ooh, your boy is hot. I'm telling you, shit's crazy. All right, so we got the lights. Obviously, you don't see them on because they're not powered yet. But what we did, we got a little rundown real quick, right? I told y'all before, when you put the lights in, you want your wires to go a certain way. Yeah, a certain way, I guess. More so towards what your power box is going to be, because you don't want to have to run extra wires and stuff. So for this one, the wire is going over here. But because of his car, how I got it set up is the wire is going under here, all the way around, up over here. The wire pretty goddamn long, so you got nothing to worry about, right? This one here is just going straight across, boom, right there. The one over here, the wire comes this way, over, around, and then the one in the back, wire's coming this way, all the way through. And then they all come to my wire bundle of a mess. Oh my God, look at that. They all come to this, right? So what I want y'all to know is there's different ways for you to secure your lights up under here. You have the 3M tape that comes on the back of it that no one ever uses, but you could use this first. Obviously, clean it off. You know, 3M, you know how that shit is. Clean it off so you're good to go. You don't want to use that. They have these brackets. Oh, excuse me. Brackets here that come with the screws. You can just screw it in, then you throw the zip ties through the back end of that. Or you can go the Jaguar way like your boy did. Get your X-Acto knife. I got a whole kit of it. Cut through the little carpet thing you got under here. Make 2 different holes, obviously. Run your zip ties through the holes. Tighten the zip tie with the light in it. Zip tie, hose the light, and then boom, you're good to go. Right? Ooh, your boy is squatting. But yeah, man. So got those in there. Lights all secure. Now we gotta do power, right? And when you do power, obviously you want to find the right fuse because you're gonna fuse tap. We don't do cigarette lighters. No one's doing that. What? No, ain't doing no cigarette lighters, man. We doing these damn fuse taps, all right? Fuse taps, they cleaner, they look better when the car turn off. Boom. Guess what? Lights turn off. So normally you go to radio fuse or you know the engine blower fuse or you know whatever fuse you want to go to that only turns on when the car turns on. Because last thing you want is to go to a fuse like let's say like the door, right? The door lights you have. So your lights only turn on when the doors are open. Or what's another one? Or like AC, where the lights only turn on when you got the AC on. Or some crazy like that, whatever. Last thing you want is to go to something that has constant power, and then you drain your battery with these lights. The lights don't drain that much power, but if they're on constantly, no, come on, man. It's not a good look, right? What you want is something you could just turn the car off, everything's turned off together, and it just looks clean. It's just, yeah, it's legit, you know what I mean? So, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go ahead and find the fuse, do the power, then give y'all a rundown how to do that. And yeah, I'm not finna show y'all that because, no, I'm not doing that. So, I'll be back. Stay tuned. Keep watching. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all this real quick, right? So, what you got here, like I said, better look at that. Right. So, boom, just like that, right? So, y'all heard that click. It's gonna click for you, right? Yeah, y'all better look at that. But, oh, shit, drop it. So, that's how it's gonna look. And then you kind of just run the plastic over that little plastic part, go on over it, protection, kind of, sort of, not really, but you know, it's all good. What you're gonna do is you got your fuse here, whatever fuse you're gonna go to in your fuse box, take that fuse out, put it in here, and then plug this whole contraption in there. So the fuse you already had continues to get power for whatever source you're taking, and then this fuse is obviously gonna power everything else you get. Get you a good ground, you know, for your ground. Obviously, you don't want to fuck that up. No ground, no power. And yeah, I had to go ahead and show y'all that. I'm gonna go ahead and find this fuse for y'all. And yeah, we're gonna make it work. All right, hold on. All right, y'all. Boy, oh boy, your boy hot. It's hot. Sun don't stop going. Nigga, it's hot. But light sand, right? So brief rundown of what I gave y'all before. Damn, well, I can't even talk right. You gotta have your kit, obviously. Everything you need your kit. Without the kit, you ain't no lights. You know what I mean? Can't do that. Get your X-Acto knife just in case you want to do a little jerry rig for the holding of the lights. Essentially, you're holding. Yeah, sure. Screwdriver if you want to use the brackets. Fuse tabs, a couple of fuse tabs. Obviously, you need your fuse puller. And either you can go to your manual or just Google it. Google got every goddamn thing and see what fuse is what. For the Jag, what I went to was the fuse for the ignition switch, which is obviously when the car turns on. So, I'm not gonna keep talking to y'all. One, because I'm sweating and I'm hot and I don't like it. No, I'm gonna get my show. What we got, right? So here we go, real quick. Got the Jag starting a little bit, and you can see, oh, wee boy, got him going, right. Little something slight. Obviously, I went all the way down so y'all can see the light, but we ain't talking about that, right? Go ahead and show y'all this real quick. So, want to turn it off? Off, cool. Turn it back on. I don't know why the default is green, but it is. I don't know, man. Listen, I don't make this. I just work here. Boom, red, your green, your blue, your white. It look purple, but it ain't purple. That's white for y'all. It's alright. Y'all know what I'm doing. They got an orange option. You know, if you look at the remote, as you see, red, the whole red spectrum, then green. Green ain't really much. Green is look like it's blue, but whatever. And then your blues. You got the color strobe. It's a little out of pocket, I guess. You know, if you want that. Color fade. Not really fading. So, alright. So the color strobe is obviously whatever color you chose. So blue, color strobe. Then red, color strobe goes red, right? Cool, whatever. Next is the color fade, and I guess it's like a strobe, but yeah, I guess so. Color fade is a strobe, cool, whatever. Color cycle is when it flows like that. By the beat, you can wire it a certain way for the beat. I didn't wire for the beat because no, I'm not doing all that. Not the kid, but yeah, man. That's what we got going on here today. My boy, he probably gonna fuck with the green more than anything. That's the scheme of his whip. But I'll tell you right here, if you can't, you're not the brightest. Whatever. It comes with a tab. Pull the tab. Therefore, the battery can be used. And yeah, man. Listen, hide your wires, bro. Don't sit it. Don't have your car looking all goofy with the wires being shown and shit. Because you look in here, you can't see none of the wires that I did. You don't see nothing. You know what I mean? You don't want wires to show. If wires showing, then it's unprofessional. You know what I mean? And granted, we ain't professionals out here. You on YouTube watching this. Obviously, you're not a professional. You're just like me. But you know, we want a clean look. We like saying, yo, I did this type shit. My homeboy, he ain't do it himself, obviously, because I did it for him. But end of the day, this is what we do. This is what I got y'all here for. That was the OPT7 interior floor light install. Ooh, excuse me, but that's that soda. Oh my God. Interior light install, you know, show you how to do it, what you need to use. I give y'all the list at the end of the video. Boom. So, tell you right now, don't leave. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Like the video. Come back for more. All right, y'all. Much love. Keep smiling. We're gonna keep doing this again, all right? Appreciate y'all. Bring it to the shop. Keep watching for more. All right, now.